And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to arrange numbers on a rectangle. Another question that I've received. Let us first create a rectangle. I'll give it a stroke, so I'll shift click on the black color swatch and click on the X to get rid of the fill. Now use the type tool and create a number. I go to path, object to path to turn this text into a path, but it's a group, so shift Ctrl G to ungroup, select it all. And if we now go to path, and let me copy it, we'll need to copy later on. So select this, I go to path and then combine. Now we only have one path element. I'll put it on top with this function, so it needs to be above the rectangle. Now go to extensions, generate from path, pattern along path. And if I check the live preview, let me change it to snake. So this is somewhat of what we want, but the problem is it stretches the number a little bit and it's tough to find the correct size and settings for this one. Another option, let me select only the rectangle. Let's go to path, path effects. And there's also a generate from path option right here. Select the number, Ctrl C to copy it, select the rectangle and paste it right here. Let me set it to repeated and repeated stretched. And we have the same problem. So it's tough to find the correct position, correct size for it. So instead of doing it like this, why not just do it manually? It's in fact much quicker. So we just use this number, put it on top of our rectangle, and then press Ctrl D to copy it, and drag copies out of there and reposition them. When you do it like this, you can adjust the size and the position as you go. Let me group these elements, so Ctrl G. Now resize that, holding Ctrl. And I use the alignment menu right here, so that we've got the spacing correctly. Select it all, Ctrl D to copy it, drag it downwards. You can rotate it, hold Ctrl when you do and it snaps. And this is basically it. So at first it might look like this is more work, but I think that in the end it's less. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.